Hello guys, Adekmasi here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your minting units. So after the last update, right, in the blockchain, Platincoin has actually moved all our products now onto the blockchain. So their farms have been on the blockchain, but now the minting units, the minting bots, which were on the dashboard alone before, have also been moved to the blockchain. So every single minting and transaction is now fully deployed on the blockchain, and that is massive. All right, that is massive. So it just shows that the company is delivering on their promises. But I want to show you today how to activate your minting units, because after that update, all right, those of us that already have minting units have to reactivate them, because they've now moved to the blockchain. So you just need to connect your wallet again. That's what activation really is now. So just to reconnect your wallet to the minting unit so that it can transact directly with your wallet. Before, after minting, it shows up on your dashboard, and from your dashboard, you now withdraw to your wallet. But right now, we are connecting the minting bot, which is a smart contract. We're connecting it directly to your wallet. So that's awesome. All right. And as I told you guys before, when you find a company that consistently gives you the power, put it in your hands, it shows you that it's a serious deal and they are committed to making this work. So all you need to do is come to your dashboard and come over on the left under, you can see here under my units. All right, under tools, you see my units. You click on my units here, and then it's going to bring it to this page. So you can see that I have I have 2 units. If I scroll down, I'm going to see them. You can see I have a plus unit that gives me 7.8 PLC per month. I also have a basic unit that gives me 1.75 per month. And but you can see they are offline. All right, look at it here. It's offline, it's offline, it's offline. So I need to activate this. And what I'm going to do is just click on this green button here that says activate unit. All right, so you're going to need your mobile phone where your wallet is, and you will need another device where you'll be checking the website, because once you click on this, it's going to open up this window where you have a QR code. So you're going to take your wallet and scan this QR code. You can see the instructions here. If you are an existing member, you already probably have done this. You have a wallet already. So you need to open up your wallet. You need to open up your wallet, log into it, make sure you saved your security keys if you've not done that, and then you are going to scan this code with your wallet. So it says launch the QR scanner, top right corner on transactions screen. All right, so in your wallet you can actually see this icon here. I believe that's the QR scanner. So I'm going to click on that. All right, and you can see that it has brought out a scanner there. So I'm going to just scan this code, and it says, okay, I have to log in. So let me log in on my phone to make sure so you need to be logged into your wallet with your normal username and password. So let me just put this in. Basically what we're doing is connecting your wallet to the minting bot. That's all. All right, so I've logged in now, and then go back to that code. Let's scan that. So you can see what it says. It's asking me if I want to activate units. You can see it. Unit category is can you guys see that? Let me move behind here. It's a plus minter. It's not showing properly. Unit category is a plus minter, and I'm just going to agree and confirm. So look at that. It's already shown on the dashboard, as you can see. Congratulations, your minting units have been activated. All right, and you can see here that this actually changed. Okay, I think it's going to take like 24 hours or so, but this has moved to pending, and then once it's connected, it's going to obviously show online also. So I'm going to do the same thing for the basic minter. I will click on this activate unit. It brings up this code. I click on my wallet. I use the barcode scanner. On the top right corner, you see that I scan this, all right, and then it's going to ask me again to confirm. All right, so I'm going to just confirm that, and congratulations, that's done. All right, so that's how to activate your minting units. So this is for those, and you can see this has just changed here to pending, and this as well. So if you already have the minting unit, because we have moved to the blockchain fully, you have to connect directly to your wallet now. So you are 100% in control of your minting units, and that's super exciting, the things that are coming up here. I hope this helped you. Go ahead and connect your minting units, and let's continue our money making. All right, see you guys later. Cheers.